Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Finally, the major event of Jackson Hole meet closed on a positive note. US futures edged up after a record Wall Street close in the wake of Fed Chief Powell's Jackson Hole speech. Mr. Powell said the Fed may start pairing bond purchases this year but is in no hurry to raise interest rates and will be guided by data on COVID 19 risk. Powell didn't give a specific timeline for scaling back stimulus. Traders are awaiting US job data this week to assess whether the recovery merits an earlier tapering. Commodity markets are focused on hurricane which imperils US oil, natural gas and fuel supplies. Crude and US gasoline futures pushed higher. Today's spotlight. Tesla Inc. is in talks with at least three Indian auto components suppliers as part of its plan to enter the local market, the Economic Times reported. Sona Comstar, Sandhar Technologies, and Bharat Forge are among Indian companies already supplying components to Tesla, the Economic Times said. Tesla didn't respond to queries by the paper on the talks. Three major affecting factors: 10-year yield is at 1.30 from 1.35, which is positive for the bond market and negative for equities. And for this reason, we need to keep a close watch on the 10-year yield for next few weeks or months. And if we see the yield is falling from the levels of 1.3 to almost 1.2 or 1.10, then it will have negative impact on equities. The dollar index is at 92.6, which is positive for emerging markets, and crude is at 73, which was at $70, and it will indicate whether the growth or maybe inflation is going to sustain or not. Trade setup for Indian markets. In the previous week, ahead of the Jackson Hole Symposium and the geopolitical tensions following explosions in Afghanistan, the Nifty has clearly defined the trading range and market participants will focus on 16,750 and 16,350 levels. Based on that, we will see a breakout or breakdown in the market. Above the level of 16,750, the possibility of reaching 17,000 would turn bright, while below 16,350 levels, the Nifty would touch the levels of 16,000, but the way market close at the upper limit of the trading range of 16,350 and 750, we consider it as a bullish signal and may see the market move towards 17,000 levels in the near term. The Bank Nifty is in rising corrective pattern, which is generally a sign of bullishness. Based on that, we would see the support slowly moving upwards, and finally we may see the levels of 37,700, which was its previous high, was crossing. It may cross the levels of 37,700. So broadly, we are of the view that Bank Nifty will also support if we see the market is moving towards the levels of 17,000. For the day specifically, again we are going to focus on financials, metals, as well as select consumption related stocks. We are going to focus on stocks like ICICI Bank, State Bank, Axis Bank. From the metals, we like Steel Authority, Nalco, Hindalco, Tata Steel. Telecom stocks should do well as there is specific news flow for Bharti. So Bharti should do well. And finally, we are also going to focus on few FMCG companies which are related to consumption related basket, like McDowell, Bata India, Indigo. So these are the stock on which we are going to focus in today's date. That's all from my side and from our side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Stay connected, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and have a great day to all of you.